Hello, my name is Josh. This is a quick video explaining the basis of our Assisted SEO product. So what is Assisted SEO? Assisted SEO is where we split the SEO work between us and yourselves. We give you a list of the content we need you to supply us with, blogs, articles, case studies, and so on, while we do all of the complex tasks. This saves us huge amounts of time and makes use of any spare time you or your staff may have. In turn, this saves you money and makes it easier to afford a bigger and better SEO campaign. For example, let's say you had a budget of £500 for SEO. You can get £1,000 worth of an SEO campaign. Or on the other hand, you could save yourself £250 and get the campaign for half the price. So a £500 campaign becomes £250. It is completely up to you. If you are interested, please get in touch.